That didn't take too long. Let's do this next one. Oop, right into a wall. That probably would have splatted him in real life. Alright, let's go talk to Unc.
Break in. I marked it for you.
Well, I'm here.
Are you kidding me right now? Nothing
Yep.
is more like Spider-Man.
Not today, burglars.
He's mine!
I don't know why that didn't respond to my punch. Fuck.
You guys should
Alright,
abandon your
another
life
one
of
down.
crime. You're not good at it.
Alright, back to Unc.
Today I have the honor of welcoming Roxxon Energy's head of R&D, Simon Krieger. Mr. Krieger, you've been out promoting the benefits of your new form reactors, the first of which is set to open in Harlem soon. Yet, you've had some critics.
Well, first off, Jonah, let me say what an honor and a pleasure it is to be on your show.
Oh, well, I'm blushing.
And yeah, you're right, we've had some resistance. Most notably from Rio Morales, who looks to be a new city council member in the upcoming special election. And I have a lot of respect for Ms. Morales. She's smart, she's a great role model for young women, but I think she's putting her energy in the wrong place. Our new form reactors will make this a better city, a better home for New Yorkers. But I guess some people just have a hard time with change.
Let me give you some advice. One highly successful man to another. You know what I like to say to my critics? You and the horse you rode in on.
Well, okay, I admire your conviction. You're a man who's not afraid to pay a fine in order to make your point.
Fine? What do you mean? Jared, how much? Do your editing thing, quick!
Jonah's getting a fine. Alright, let's see what kind of candy I got over here. Sweet tarts. Oh, sweet tarts ropes.
Spill it. Give me the whole situation.
Finn, Roxxon, underground.
Hershey's Fangs.
It's just a lot,
Ooh,
you know?
Heathbar.
You're 17. You're stressed. And you're a superhero. You gotta cut yourself some slack. You still making beats?
Not much since I started this.
Work-life balance, kid. Most important thing. Here. Little project your dad and I started back in the day. Our mixtape. Had rhymes ready and everything.
How come I never heard about this?
Cause we never finished. We sampled street noise around the way. Wanted the city to be our beat. But your dad had the masters. And after things went bad between us... But you can finish what we couldn't. Plus, it'll take your mind off work.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Candy.
What do I do?
Load that up. I'll walk you through it. I'll set up holograms to guide you. Scan the source.
Holograms, huh? You stealing my moves?
This was in my playbook before you even born, young blood.
Okay, don't think about Finn. Focus on sounds. Clear my head.
Scan the holograms and it'll unlock files on that drive I gave you. You figure out which sound you're looking for.
What am I doing?
Need to get a little further away so it doesn't distort.
Oop, I went in the water.
Need to be a little closer to get your levels right. Not a match, though. Keep looking. There you
Got
go. Yeah, that's it. Rest of the sounds you need are spread across the city. I left a few messages for you, too, to help you get a feel for each location.
Oh, dope.
Not now. Hey, get something you like?
Yeah, really unique dynamics.
See? Old man still knows his stuff.
And you were right about clearing my head, too. I know what to do about Finn. I gotta see her. Try to talk her out of all this.
In person? Where?
Trinity Church. Tomorrow night. Why so interested?
Because you got a target on your back the size of Jersey.
You don't have to protect me.
Someone should.
You know, you said you never finished this tape because of how things went bad between you and Dad. What actually happened between you two?
It was complicated. We were too similar and too different. Finish the tape, get all the samples, and you'll hear the whole story. Promise.
All right, thanks, Unc.
Trinity Church. Remember, Tinker is yours, but leave the boy alone.
Sound asleep.
Man, I needed that. I was beat. Okay, I'm gonna call Finn. Soon as I'm ready to go.
Alright. Gotta leave it right here. I will talk to you guys maybe tomorrow with a new video. I'll see how it is. Life gets in the way sometimes. Don't forget, over on YouTube, toy unboxings every Saturday. Pokemon cards on Sundays. What did I say? Toy unboxing Saturday, Pokemon cards Sundays, toy hunt shorts every day of the week, and Advent Calendar Madness starts December 1st. Only a couple days away. Alright. See you guys real soon.